They claim this Hans generator is being used by 102,000 happy families. I would dare say maybe a dozen or 2 dozen people have one, and they don't work for them. There probably are no happy families except for the people selling them. Now, they claim it's going to take about 2 hours to build and $50 to pay somebody else to build it. I don't think so. It might take you 2 hours to wind the coil. It'd probably take you a day if you had a machine shop to build the stator. How long does this take? It takes about 10 minutes to go through the blueprints. Yeah, of course it takes about 10 minutes just to look through them really quick if you don't read anything. But building it in 2 hours, no. If you had someone helping you build it in 2 hours, no. If you had some help, you might get it done in a couple of days. That is, if you could get a machine shop to build the stator for you. And that's probably going to take more than 2 days, because they're going to put you on the list of order that they received you in priority with their other customers, and how fast your other customers need stuff. It says it'll take $55 for parts, and that's not even close. It's going to cost you $70 to $80 just for the DC drive alone. The sheet metal might cost you, well, if you can get it really cheap, you might be able to get it for $50. It might cost you a couple $100. If you take an old washing machine and cut the sheet metal out of it, yeah, you might be able to get it for less than $55. If you build it the entire thing out of complete junk, yeah, you can get it maybe $55, but don't expect anything to work. And power your entire home for $110 total cost. Yeah, maybe about $1,200. You might get it for that. This is basically what you will need, and this is the free version, which the other version I'm going to show you was ripped off of the free version. You'll notice this here is stator, and if we go to our other one, you'll notice, oh, same stator. Well, how did that happen? Well, because they stole their pictures. And they want this to be copyrighted. I'm sorry, but you can't copyright somebody else's work. And motor control box. Check this out. Here's the here's the patent. Nikola Tesla, New York. Motor control box, or motor controller. Oh, how about that? There's the very same motor control box. Check this out. Check this out in the background. All this stuff in the background. Now this hand is going to be in a slightly different position. We'll go back over to here. Look, same motor controller. Well, how about that? All the stuff is in the background, the same place. How'd that happen? I think they ripped somebody off here. They're trying to sell this, and they don't own it. They didn't even create it. They just ripped somebody else's data off. Somebody else's pictures, everything. And then they want to patent it. Check, or they want to try to copyright this. Look, here's this copyright. Here's a disclaimer that we are not liable for any losses. So when you run this and you only get 17% efficiency, which is what it is, we aren't liable for that because, you know, we claim we're not. Copyright, license, and idea submission. Okay, we want to copyright this, but we don't own it. It's public domain. And if you create something out of this, oh, we want the rights to it. But we're not liable for any of it either.